She gets Courtney's eye all the time.
I don't care. That's Courtney, not me.
What? I know. Like all the women that meet me. All right, that's good.